Mama, to my new viewers and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. To my new viewers, welcome to the clique. I hope you guys are doing fine. I am doing fine myself. And today, as usual, I have a new hairstyle. My hairstyle for the day. However, this is a hairstyle I've never done before. Or maybe I tried and it didn't work out. So this is a ponytail. I'm going to do a ponytail using some braids, some leftover braids. I don't know whether they're going to be enough, but we're going to see whether they're going to be enough. So my hair, I just undid it. I had I don't remember the hairstyle, what's the hairstyle is called, but I had a certain hairstyle before. I'm going to link it in this video so that you can see the hairstyle. And then I just stayed with it for like, who says that? I stayed with it for around 3 weeks, for exactly 3 weeks, because today is on a Saturday and I did them like 3 weeks on a Saturday. Because number one, I didn't really like them as much. Not as much, but anyway, whatever, we move on regardless. So it's okay. So my hair is dirty, but I just feel like maybe I should do just like a simple hairstyle. The good part, I don't know whether this is going to work. Never done a ponytail before. I already feel like this looks funny, and my hair is not like, my hair wasn't like straight. It was like semi straight. So I don't know, but I'm not going back. I'm not changing my mind, and I'm doing this. That's what I'm telling myself. So I'm going to stick with this whatever I've done here, pony. So there's no tail. Okay. And then I didn't like the idea of these. These flat twist. I would have done a braid, a cornrow. However, as in the hair was, I felt like my hair was so tangled. Like I wasn't willing to just go untangling it while doing the cornrow. And I'm going to stick with this. I'm going to stick with this. So let's show me. Let me show you what I'm working with. So I'm working with these. And I already had done a thing here. Let me tell you that drama that are going on here. So I'm wondering, how much should I like add? I don't know whether this is going to be enough. God. I don't know whether this is going to be enough. Ponytail. Pony. What is wrong with me? Let's just undo this, and then we're going to see whether it's going to work. And then where I'm living right now, there's no shop like around. I have to just go hadi kwa stage. Like I feel nimbali like around here, like city. I'm living in an apartment where down here we don't have a shop, we don't have a kibanda, we don't have like anything. So it's a very sad state of affairs. So I can just go down and buy like some hair. Tinishuke hivi nikamnunue nywele, siezi. Juu na feel ni mbali, lazima niende huko juu hadi kwa the market itself. And this is me being so lazy because I don't really feel like I want to do that. maybe siendi. What's this? What this? I was thinking of adding Spanish bulk. Okay, this is my ponytail. I feel like it's very short. I would have wanted it longer, but I'm just going to work with this because this is the only hair I have, and there's no way I'm getting outside. There's no way I'm going outside to buy more hair. There's no way I'm doing that. How much should I add? How much should I add this? I have this. Anyway, let me add it. So let me just use some Spanish bulk. But then to make a Spanish bulk kadogo, I have a piece here, a remaining piece. So this is just like, so I've not used any kind of cash with this hairstyle because I've not bought any type of hair. So I was thinking maybe I should add some Spanish bulk and see how it's going to stand out and all of that. Sijui, honestly I don't know. But we will see. Is it giving? It's not. I don't feel it. So my ancestors have told me to just do away with the Spanish bulk because I look like I don't belong in this world. So I'm just letting them go. So I'm not going to do the Spanish bulk part. So this is what I'm settling for. Definitely as I've said, I'm going to try next time so that I can use like a thicker more braid, so that I can have like a thicker ponytail. But for now we're going to settle with this, and I definitely love this look. Never have I ever locked this look before. Sijawai, I've just never. But I think it's fine. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed every bit of it because I enjoyed making this video, and I hope to see you next week with a new hair tutorial or any other video.